battle. Alright. It's gonna be my mix, Dark Wolf and Aries, versus Eagle. I put Legend Cyber Pegasus sticker on it for no reason. And now it's Legend Cyber Pegasus. I have a feeling Eagle is going to win. She got out. This is gonna take a while. Shh. Sorry, my sister is just like annoying stuff. And he lost right there. Okay. And now it's Eagle right there. It's actually purple, but it might look blue. Right. Here.